Alright guys, before we even start this video, I just wanted to go ahead and state to you all that the stuff that you're seeing in this video is old. If I'm correct, it was March 11th when I did this video. Basically, the information that you're hearing in the video could be a little bit off just because of how the virus has spread and how a lot of stuff is canceled. All parks are really closed until further notice. Most are going to be closed all throughout of March. We don't know everything of how this is going to spread yet, but I just want to go ahead and do this quick little clip just to let you all know. But let's go ahead and get back to that video.
What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. Today I've got some awesome news for two different parks, really three, but I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Sunshine, while you playing with my head.
Both are under the same company, which is SeaWorld Entertainment. The first news that I have for you today is going to be coming out of Busch Gardens Tampa. Believe it or not, yes, Iron Gwazi is freaking testing. I can't believe how fast. I mean, literally the next day, within less than 24 hours, I couldn't even make the video because I just was like in awe that they were testing the ride. People have already ridden the coaster, so I'm guessing some of the higher ups and some of maintenance probably have already ridden this ride now, which is just crazy to believe that that's how fast they're going. I hope they're checking all the safety and whatnot because that is a big priority of the ride. The fact that they've just literally put down track and they started testing the thing almost instantly. I mean, it literally was less than 24 hours and it's already testing. It's crazy. But in other news, SeaWorld Orlando, their new dive coaster that'll be coming, it's called Emperor. That ride is also testing. This is awesome to hear that two different rides are going to be testing under the same company. I think it's awesome that they're putting in that work early in the season. With spring break coming up, it makes sense why they're rushing this, and I'm glad that they are because I want to get down there as soon as possible. Hopefully I can get down there earlier. I'm gonna go there in November, but I really love to go there when Iron Gwazi does open up. Last but not least, I've got Pantheon, and a lot of people keep asking me, is it testing? From what I know, it is testing now. The only problem is that I don't have any video footage of it, so it's kind of hard to confirm that it is. I did have a really blurry picture of it that somebody had posted because it was like from really far away. From what I know though, it should be testing now, and if it's not, I imagine by the end of this week they should start testing. But that's all for today's video. I hope you all did enjoy. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. And until next time, you guys, peace out.